Hello everyone, so if you want to set up an Android Auto on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first of all open up your settings and then you're gonna scroll down to your more connectivity options, and after that we're to find our Android Auto right here at the bottom. Here it is. Open it up, choose your option to connect your car, and after that you are to connect the phone to the car's USB port using a USB-C or USB-A cable. In my case it's going to be USB-C cable. If your car supports wireless Android Auto, you can turn on your Bluetooth. So here it is. You can turn on your Bluetooth and press the voice assistant in the car and look for your car in the list of available devices. After connecting, you can adjust apps and the interface, such as changing the app layout. Also keep in mind that connecting using wireless Android Auto is available on some 2021 or newer cars. So if your car is older than that, I guess you have to connect it through wires. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.